yeah, it was just basically, you know, went through the little steps of here's how you hold your bow. Now do this, you know, check for your where your bow is and make sure your thumb and the G and like just basically like your whole process, and it worked perfectly. And like,
Wow.
and by the next day I have 5 kids who sent me pictures and videos and they're perfect. And
Yeah.
two of those kids were like, were the kind of like on the edge of like, maybe this isn't your instrument kind of bad.
Right.
So like, it's amazing. It's
And now
wonderful.
they can
Thank
do
you.
it.
They can do it. It looks great. They're like
Wow.
so excited. And now they're sending me emails and posts on their class. And they're like, oh, here's this and that. And I'm like, oh, this is amazing.
It's just
That has been a struggle for me for, you know, as long as I've taught strings
of
is
course.
I can do it myself, but getting the kids to understand how to do that has always been a problem. Like, no, we'll do this. And they're like, I have no clue what you're talking about. Oh, okay, I know what you're talking about. I'm like, and then it's completely wrong. So they're thrilled. I'm thrilled. My
That is
coworker in
so
the middle school is
amazing.
going to be thrilled when I send them to them next year. So thank
Wow.
you.